so much, Vice Mayor Santoyao Casin. Game 1! Eastern Samar Rising versus Cabuena Heights. Let the game begin!
Paul, waray na ko na.
Bola! Eastern Samar Laser. The drive! Basket! First points for Eastern Samar Rising. Bola number 1 for 3. No basket. Rebound. Eastern Samar. Pasa dengan Laser. Laser crossover. Back. 3-point line. Nagkalaw. Tumura. Ay, up. Number 9, handling the ball for Albuera. Dito mula yun. Number 5, bounce pass inside pass. Pero si Pilipin. Turnover. Mula nila ng Kramer. Sumalaksak. Maya lang ako sa ball. Rebound. Against the ball. Eastern Samar. And the pass. Basket. For Eastern Samar Rising. Albuera. Number 2, handling the ball. Sumalaksak. Behind the back pass. Three-pointer attempt. Walking basket. Defensive rebound. Alaya pa na Albuera. Pinasa ka number 25. Naagaw. Turnover from Albuera. Ginulat na. Number 30. Kanya naman. Tapos sa kanya ng Raven mula. Later. Pasa right side. Right na. Ikot rin mula. Ikot rin later. 4-3. No basket. 9-1. Out of bounds. Ball remains. Eastern Samar Rising. Save ball. Rebound. Outside pass number 19. For 3. No basket. Offensive rebound. Basket for Eastern Samar Rising. Albuera. Ay mamakuha nila ang mga puntos. Pinasa number 9. Pull up. Jumper. Two-pointer. No basket. Rebound for Eastern Samar. Pasa ka na kasi. Pinasa ka sa atin. Sinabi. Pull up. Two-pointer. No basket. Offensive rebound. Pinatakan. Rebound. Albuera. Nangkalari. Lumabas. Pinasinan. Disappeared. Pasa kayo na po. Pero turnover. Nakakawa na po ang Twitter. Last play. Pinasa ka na po. Easy layup. Another 2-point for Eastern Samar Rising. Number 1, handling the ball. Humika na lang yung press. No basket. Rebound for Eastern Samar. Laser handling the ball. Nag-crossover sila ng side. Back pass. Pass break para ng Albuera. Crossover. Layup. That's their first 2 points for Albuera Heights. Later, galing. Sumalaksak. Teardrop. Basket. Bola nila. Rebound Albuera. Balik ang point guard. Nagseset ng play. Games nila natin ng 25. Lolo Capaz. At 3-point na break at sa ball. Rebound. For Eastern Samar. Pinasa ka ng crossover. Handling ball. 3-point line. Pinasa ka ng layup for Albuera. Ginawa na